Hello everyone. So in today's session we are going to see about the logic gates. So we are going to implement all our logic gates in the ladder logic. So we are very well known about the logic gates and truth table, right? So for OR and NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR we are having two inputs and one output. And only the NOT gate is having only one input and one output. Got it? So we'll see that. So yes, so now we are going to implement that in a ladder logic. So first we will check out the OR gate truth table. So this is a truth table for OR that we are very well known to us, right? So we are going to write a ladder logic that satisfy all the four condition. Okay. For example, I will be using two inputs and one output, and that logic should satisfy same logic. We should not change the logic for all the remaining gates. Remaining cases. There should be only one logic that satisfy all the cases. Okay. So we'll see that from the first case 0 0 0. So whenever you are not disturbing the input, output should not be happening. Okay. When you disturb the input, the second case 0 1, that time your output should be 1. So from this we get to know we need to use the normally open contact, right? So I'll share the software, we'll see over there. Yes, so we need to use a normally open contact. Okay, and according to the second case 0 1, answer is 1. That means any one switch is on, output is on. Okay, so it is like an option to us. Any one is on, output need to on, like that. So when it is an option in ladder logic, you should have the word called parallel connection in your mind. Okay, that means you should connect normally open contact in parallel to get the OR logic gate. Fine. We will see that I 0.0, this is I 0.0 and this is I 0.1. Right? So what is this means? If any one input is on, output is on. That is what the case is. Let's go for online and check. Yeah. So see, what is the first one? 0 0 0. Fine. So 0 0 0. Now I'm going to turn on 1 0. Only one input, output is on. See, the I 0.1 is in an off condition, but still output is in an on condition. Okay, this is OR gate when it comes to option. See, if it is 0 1, I'm not turning on I 0.0, but I'm turning on I 0.1. Output is on. What is the last case? 1 1. 1 1, output is also 1. Fine. So this is how we need to perform the OR gate. So OR gate means any one input is on, output need to on. It is like an option. So you can make use of normally open contact in a parallel connection. Fine. So this is OR gate. Correct? This is OR gate. Right? So shall we do the AND gate next? So what is AND gate? 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. What is the last case? 1 1 1. So from this we get to know both inputs need to turn on output. Okay, here it is not an option. Both need to be turned on. So in the previous session I have told about the series connection, right? So yes, in AND gate we need to connect both in a series. AND gate. Okay, so this is I'm giving I 0.0, this is I 0.1, this is Q 0.2, or I'm using 1, right? So what will happen? 0 0 0 0 1, again it is 0, right? And 1 0, again it is 0. When it both are 1, that time only output will perform. Can you see here? This is AND gate logic. Okay, 0 0 0, I'm turning on 1 0. See, 1 0, still it is 0. Correct? Now I will perform 0 1. 0 1, still it is 0. Right? If I'm turning on both, output is 1. Got it? So, AND condition means, AND gate means it should be connected in a series. It's not like a OR gate. OR gate means that is an option. Can you see here? In a OR gate, if any one input is on, OR gate is giving the output, but AND gate is not giving the output. Got it? So this is AND and OR gate. Fine. Shall we move on to the next gate? What is our next gate? NAND. Okay. So we'll see the truth table. Yeah. So see the truth table. First case is what? 0, 0, 1. So I'm not going to disturb the switch, but I want output need to on. So from this what we get to know? We need to use a normally closed contact. Fine. See the second case. 0, 1, 1. So any one output is on, any one input is on, output is remains on. So it is like an option, no? Option, correct? So option means what circuit we need to have it in our mind? That is, yes, parallel. Fine. Let's see the same NOR gate again. NOR gate, next gate. See here, 0, 1, it's still 0. So it is a AND condition. Fine. So NOR is optional. NAND is optional. NOR is condition. Okay. We'll see that in a software. So I'm going to take a third network. Yes. So we get to know we need to use a normally closed contact. And how we are going to use a normally closed contact? I have told option. So option means what? Parallel circuit like this. And I'm connecting one output over here, 0.2. Right? Let's go for online and check. Yeah. Can you see the NAND gate? 0, 0, 1. Correct? Again, 1, 0, it's still 1. Still 1. See? Still 1. Again, 0, 1. Still Q 0.2 is in a on condition. If both are 1, Q 0.2 is off. Okay? If both conditions are 1, Q 0.2 is off. Okay? So we need to connect a normally closed contact in parallel since it is a NAND gate. Fine. Same thing can you see for AND and OR gate. This is the AND gate output. This is OR gate output. This is AND gate output. Correct? So those are on because both the switches are in a on condition. Fine. So this is NAND. So what will be for NOR? NOR is a condition. Correct? So what we need to connect? It is in a series. So normally closed contact in series. Like this. And I am connecting the different output, that is U 0.3. So this is NOR. Fine. Yeah. Let's go for online and check. So yeah, already it was on. That's what it is giving. What is the truth table now? NOR 001. Correct. 001 is NOR. I'm putting over here to see the output of all. See, this is NOR gate. NOR gate is giving output when both the switches are 0. Correct? Yeah. Suppose if I turn on one input, 1, 0, output is off. Q 0.3, this is the output of NOR. This one, or you see here. If you are getting confusion in this, see here. Q 0.3 is off. Because I have given 1, 0. Now 0, 1. Still it is off. See? If both are on, still it is off. Because it is breaking the circuit. I have connected in a series which is breaking the circuit. So this is NOR gate. So NAND gate is optional with an NC contacts. NOR gate is conditioned with the NC contacts. That is the difference. Okay, fine. So we have 3 more gates pending. Let's see that. What is our next gate? Yes, it is XR. Correct. XR. Fine. So let's see the XR gate logic gates. Truth table first. Yeah, this is our XR. So can you see here 0 0 0? Okay, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Fine. So you may confuse like 0 0 0. So we should use a normally open contact. Okay. But see the last case 1 1 0. What is this 1 1 0 means? If you are using a normally closed open contact, it should give 1, no? Right? But it is 0. So from this truth table, you get to know you need a combination of NC and NO contacts. Both contacts we need to use, right? So let's see how to use that. For XR gate, one open contact, one closed contact, and in parallel, one closed contact and one open contact. Okay. I'm connecting on different output here. And this is I 0.0. This is I 0.2. 1. This is again I 0.0. This is I 0.1. So this is XR gate. So you are using only, don't confuse that we have used 4 switches. We have used only 2 switches only. What is the address of the switch? I 0.0 and I 0.1. But we are using the copy of this. Another switch with the same address. So practically we are using only 2 contacts, but logically we are using the another state of the switch. Okay. So this, by using this only we can achieve the concept of XR. See, now both are 0, output is off. That is XR gate, right? 0 0 0. 1 0, output is 1. 0 1, output is 1. If both are 1, output is 0. Can you get the point? So this is how we need to do the XR gate. Okay. So one need to be parallel contact in one I 0.0 is a normally open contact in this, and I 0.0 is normally closed contact in this. Right. So same, here it is closed contact, here it is open contact. You can exchange this tongue also, no issues. You can put this in first and put this in second. That is also working. Right? Yes. So what is the next gate? XNOR. XNOR is just opposite to this. Let's see the truth table. Yeah. So for XNOR is just opposite to XR. XNOR. So 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is again 0, 1 1 is 1. So first and last cases are having 1 and the remaining 2 are having 0. Fine. So this is opposite to XR. So what I'm doing, I'm connecting like this, 2 open contact in series and 2 closed contact in the parallel. Just a minute. Like this. So this is XNOR. So this should be I 0.0. Next is I 0.1. And up next is again I 0.0. This is I 0.1. Fine. So this will be your next output, which is Q 0.5. So what is the first case of XNOR? 0 0 1. Correct? Can you see? 0 0 1. No, I have turned on this. Yeah, now see here 0, 0, 1. Fine. In the previous, when I was explaining XR, I was not turned off this. That's what it was still in the on condition. So I have turned off now. So see here 0, 0, but output is 1. Now 1, 0, output is off. 0, 1, output is remains off. Now both are 1, output is on. So this is the last case, this is the first case. For the remaining two cases, output will be in the off condition. Same thing for XRC. If both are on, output should be off. That is XR. If both are on, output should be on. That is XNOR. Fine. Right? So yes. So what is the pending? Only one gate is missing, right? What is that? NOT gate. So for NOT gate, there is only one input. Let's take I 0.0. So what is the truth table for NOT? When input is 0, output is 1. Correct? So obviously it should be a normally closed contact. So it should be like this. When input is 0, output is 1. That means you should connect a normally closed contact directly with output. Let's go for online and check. Yeah. See here. Okay. I have not turned off this previously. Now see. Okay. Just a minute. I see. I have given the wrong address here. It is Q 0.6. Yes, see. Whenever your input is off, output is giving 1. NOT gate. If you turn on that, output is off. So 0, 1, 1, 0. I have turned on I 0.0, but output is in a off condition. So this is NOT gate. Got it? So this is how we need to perform the logic gates. So this is R, where both any one is on, output is on. AND gate, both need to be on to turn on a output. NOR gate and NAND gate are just opposite to OR and AND. Okay. See here, any one is on, output is on. But see here, it is like a condition, right? So 0, 0, 0. That's what I have preferred normally closed contact. Here also 0, 0, 0. That's what I have preferred the normally closed contact. So this is XR. It is like similar means 0. That means what? 0, 0 should give 0. Okay. Right. Different value means it should give 1. Fine. So this is just opposite to XR. XNOR. So 0, 0. Again it should give 1. For 1, 1 also it should give 1. Remaining two cases it should be 0. NAND gate is, NOT gate is, input is off, output on, output is off. It's like a opposite negate function, like negate function, right? So these are all the logic gates, and this is how we need to perform in the ladder logic, and the circuit is common for all the cases. Truth table is having 4 cases, no? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this circuit, whatever circuit we have seen here, no, for all the logic gate, it is common for all the 4 cases. Fine. So yes, so that's it. So we'll meet you all in the next session with another interesting examples. Fine. Yeah. Until then, bye.